To mine them is my real quest. To hold it is my cause. I'll scan the charts across the web, searching far and wide. Each altcoin's code to understand the moonshot that's inside. Crypto coins, gotta stack 'em all. It's my wallet and me. I know it's my destiny. Crypto coins, are you my best friend? In a market we must defend. Crypto coins, gotta stack 'em all. Crypto true. My diamond paws will pull us through. You moon for me, I'll buy for you. Crypto coins, gotta stack 'em all. Gotta stack 'em Every dip along the way, with patience I will face. I'll trade throughout the night and day to reach the outer space. Join the pool, the gas is light. There's no better team. Block by block, we'll win the fight. The Red Panda Stream.
Good afternoon. No, it's afternoon for me. Well, almost afternoon for me. Probably afternoon for my Eastern friends. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Bitcoin up a little bit. Probably not going up anymore. Oh man. What a great time we are in right now. What a crazy time, guys. What is going? Oh my goodness, just crazy times. We got some Epstein files coming out saying, you know, Epstein was talking that he was talking with the Bitcoin founders and all this stuff. Oh my goodness, man. People are saying that's why Bitcoin crashed, is because Bitcoin was created by Epstein. That's crazy. So crazy what's happening right now. It doesn't seem real to me what's happening around. Just literally everything that's been happening. Random Miner, what's up, man? Rude Puts, what's going on? Bought $10 of Bitcoin yesterday. I'm up 2 cents. Let's go. Heck yeah. Every little bit counts, right? There you go. You got to take that 2 cent capital gain. 619 Oda, what's up, man? Caviar Mining, second TL, what is up, man? Second TL. How is it in your side of the world right now? How is it over there, good sir? Your XBF, I lost 7K on Bitcoin. 7K, dude. That hurts. That truly hurts. That truly hurts. Rude Puts, who spin the wheel? We're not spinning the wheel today. BTC is still green overall. Rude Puts. Oh, if you're looking at a span ever since the inception of Bitcoin, right? Oh yeah, Bitcoin is green overall. Yes, Bitcoin is technically up if you look at it that way. At a big picture. Big picture, even by market cap, oh yeah, Bitcoin is higher than it's ever been. Well, I mean, it was higher maybe like 4 months ago, 3 months ago, when Bitcoin was 123, 125K or something like that. So we're still, yeah, we're still technically up, if you're looking at it that way, yes. But over the past 4 months, man, we've had quite a negative downturn here. The fear and greed index is the lowest of the low right now. So there's definitely not financial advice, but like buying opportunity, maybe short term. I still think we're gonna go down overall this year for a bit, but I'm not a trader, so I can't really say. Jockwick Miner, library is what? I thought library was dead. Library coin. Oh my gosh, I haven't heard of that. Gecko 2, how's your Seal Miner A2 doing? It's going great. I don't know about now though. Let me see here. There, let me put in my electrical cost. 7.4 now. Canadian dollar has been going up actually. Seal Miner A2. Okay, even at my 7.4 cents electric, the Seal Miner A2 that I have is making about $2 a day right now. Not great, not terrible. It's still okay. It's still, I mean, $2 a day. I mean, I could drive for Uber for 10 minutes and then make that money. So, yeah. I just had that, like, what's that, like, sunk feeling? What's that sunk feeling you get? You know, it's like that you have that realization of like, damn. I'm using, like, you know, I'm spending like $10 in power to make $2 a day. It's like, damn. That's I'm trying to find the words. I'm trying to find the words for it. I'm trying to find that word. Sunk. No. Just that, like, that sick to your stomach feeling. That's so funny. That's so funny. But right now is possibly the time, right? Okay, so I still have not gotten any of my ASIC resellers to reply with updated pricing. Like, they're all just like waiting. They're like, they're not giving out lower prices yet. You know, they're just like, we want to keep ASIC prices high as much as we can before we drop them. You know, it's like people still asking about L9s, right? L9s are probably one of the most popular ones. The most popular ones over the past, like, I'm gonna say even more so the past couple months. The L9 is still the most sought after ASIC recently. So I'm thinking hopefully tonight they will reply and I can get updated pricing on the ASICs and stuff. It should in theory drop, right? In theory, ASIC pricing should be coming down even further. Joker Miner, member for 21 months. Thank you, Joker Miner. Panda killing the market, new slogan for 2026. Random Miner, I got my first script miner coming. Volk Miner. Oh, Random Miner, nice. Very nice, very nice. Rude Puts, did you feel that feeling when you were mining ETH in the beginnings, making also $1 a day? Rude Puts, I remember when I was GPU mining Ethereum back in February, I vividly remember this. Vividly. February of 2017, when I was GPU mining back in February 2017, a single 1063 gigabyte card at the time, and I didn't make YouTube videos during this time, but you know, I was mining more than $1 a day. I was mining like $5 or $8 a day per GPU back in these times. And then as GPU mining started getting more popular, started really coming up, hash rate was rising. Of course, it was going down, but the beginnings of mining Ethereum, when Ethereum was $8, it was crazy time. It was crazy time. But obviously then 2021 came about, and then, you know, mining like $10 a day on a GPU, $20 a day on a GPU at one point was super cool, but then not anymore. Ace K, what's up, man? Welcome. Joker Miner, my hammer arrived today. Ah, the helium deploy hammer miner. Let's see, which we're doing a giveaway on one of those things right now. Helium. We're doing a giveaway of one of these, so if you guys are interested, go check out the video on the latest video on my channel. There is that link. I can go get it. I'll go get it. Let's see. RedPandaMining. Live. No, videos. This guy. Alright, this guy. And it's got an Ethernet cable. Oh. It's got an Ethernet port now. Right on there. Ethernet port. So let me get that link. Copy link address. Oh, won't let me copy it. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. What else? What else is going on, my friends? Joker Miner, I think my taxes are going to buy me Hammer Miner. I need one. Nice. Travels. Joker Miner, didn't Rabbit just diss the miner on his latest vid? In my videos, I mention the Flu Miner as an option because it is better dollar per terahash. Yes. Also, you know, it's a speaker, it's a heater. The L2 right now is, let's see. I was looking at ASL Miner. It's not. Oops. What the heck is this? Neopol? ASLMiner.com. Flu Miner. Last I heard they were not in stock, but let me check. Last I was checking, they said they sold out of all of them already. Yeah, so it's like another $200 shipping, so it's like 600 and something. If you use code RPM, you get another $30 off. So about $600 for this versus the 500. So yeah, the Flu Miner L2 definitely 1.2 gigahash, right? At like 300 watts. Mine does like 320 watts or something like that. So yeah, the Flu Miner is definitely the better deal in that regard. It's just, if you care about it, this is for people who care about open source, people who care about, you know, it's got Ethernet on it. Does the Flu Miner have Ethernet? I'm trying to remember. Yes, it does. Has Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So this unit is also technically a, I mean, you could solo mine with it, but majority of people are pool mining with one of these things. So yeah, if you can get it for a cheaper deal, it's definitely a better dollar per terahash. Does it look as cool as the other one? But you get way more hash rate. So that's definitely a plus. Flu Miner able to be shipped in USA, though, is that the question? Joker Miner, no, from Asia. So expect maybe another $60, $100 tariff or whatever. Alrighty. Volk Miner D1 Mini is better than the Hammer DC06. Christian Johansson. Volk Miner D1 Mini. Yes, the Volk Miner is nice. Volk Miner. Let's see. Do they have those? How much are those now? D1 Mini Prey. 500 watts. 2.2 gigahash. Ooh, that's expensive. $739. Yeah, so we're shipping another 150, 180 in shipping. So about 900 bucks ish for this thing. I'll put my Volk miner on Kwai this weekend. Oh, nice. On Kwai, yes. Kwai mining is still, I think, still decent. Still decent. Not on my GPUs. I had to take my 170HXs off. But let's see. Volk miner. Yeah, Volk miner D1 mini payout. $2 revenue a day. Nice, nice. Very nice, very nice. Kwai ruling proof of work now. Yeah, for now. We'll see. I hope they can sustain the price. The biggest thing is Kwai's price right now. It's obviously following the market, following how Bitcoin's been going down, but also could be because there's been, I'm sure, other people who've been mining Kwai over the past month or so have been also selling their Kwai, right? So obviously there's going to be this downward trend here we got here. So see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Caviar mining, RedPandaMining. If I want to buy a Flu Miner L2, it costs 980 including taxes, 260%. Couldn't Elon Musk bring it in a Starship? Caviar mining. That's funny. That's funny, man. RSM 602 Flu Miner T3 to arrive next week. Hopefully 2 months late on production. Yeah. Yes. RSM 602. I'm gonna be the first to receive the Flu Miner T3. Yes, and we're gonna see how good it is, how efficient it is, how quiet it is. That's gonna be the biggest thing. Yeah, oh, that sucks though. Even at my electric, it only makes like $1.38 a day right now. At 74 cents, that's so bad. Dude, even though the Flu Miner T3 has very efficient basic chips, even at like 9 cents, it's not even making $1 a day. Really bad. But you can't just look at the daily profit. I mean, with these types of miners, you're looking at just accumulating the Bitcoin, of course, in hopes that it goes, at least 3x. And it's hard to say Bitcoin, going at least 2x is like the norm now, I'd say. I don't know. People always say like Bitcoin should like 5x or 10x or something. They used to say that back in 2017, 2021. But no, like I think Bitcoin is already peaked at going at least 2x or something. Like I don't know, man. Over the next cycle, maybe 2x or 3x. Like we all got to bring our expectations down here. But altcoins, I'm not even gonna talk about altcoins. Not even gonna say anything about that right now. Do you run a BTC node? Sudo 936. Yes, I have a FutureBit Apollo 2, local Bitcoin node, and it's also a Stratum. I can pool mine to it. But just recently, just this weekend, and I didn't get the video out because I had to go to the ER this morning for my kid at like 3 a.m. Hence why I sound so tired, and hence why I didn't release a video today. I was at the ER for 6 hours. The hospital system, medical system here in Canada is extremely slow. But my kid is fine. He's fine now. Yeah. Regarding the node question, I finally got my Proxmox cluster up. All right, I got my 3 HP servers all clustered together. They all have the same spec. 2 Xeon processors, two Xeon 79 or 2799 X4s, older generation. But they each have 128 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of RAM, and 60 terabyte, which goes to my UNAS Pro, my Ubiquiti UNAS Pro. I'm very surprised that I could NFS protocol, file system protocol link my UNAS Pro to my cluster, which is freaking cool. So whenever, you know, I can now do, which I love. I didn't even know Proxmox would let you do high availability. I didn't think that was possible. HA, they do, you're allowed to do HA mode here, right? And so the VM can fail over if one of the servers goes down. Or say the VM is running on SRv01 and this server goes down, the virtual machine will fail over to SRv02 or SRv03. I thought that's so cool, man. That's so cool. That's the whole reason why I have 3 servers running, just for that redundancy, essentially. Which I thought, dude, so cool, man. I didn't think Proxmox would let you do this for free. Like VMware notably, you'd have to pay for this feature. You would have to pay for something like this. So it blows my mind that this is free. It blows my mind that this is free. This is absolutely insane. Swamp 7, Proxmox cluster looks. Now you need to do is fix your network. Swamp 7, Ubiquiti, my network is staying the same. That's not going anywhere. But okay, so I had a question now for some of you. So how much processors should I, or how much, like a Bitcoin node or a Umbrel OS, like how much RAM does Umbrel OS need? So say I run a Bitcoin node, can I also run a Doge pool, a Dogecoin node on the same Umbrella OS installation? Is that possible? What do you do with Proxmox? This is tended towards installing, having virtual machines. These are all 3 hypervisor servers clustered together, so I have that redundancy. But the biggest thing is that I can run virtual machines on here. So you know what? I was like in the middle of making the video, but then I had a hard time getting a VM up for some reason. But for now, it's working because I think I had an NFS permission issue. Thanks to Zapirate for thanks to Zapirate and a few other people I asked questions on, but it is running now. I downloaded the wrong Umbrel OS image, so it's this one, Umbrel OS AMG 64. I downloaded the USB installer one. So let's see if that turns on. You know what? Let's turn it on. Let's see. Can I start it? Let's start now. Let's start it. Oops. Guest not running. Excuse me. Start. Oh, there we go. There we go. Boot failed. Not a bootable disk. Could not read from CD-ROM. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Escape for boot menu. It's not running. It's not running my CD drive. Why not? How come? 2. Huh? Unable to boot from CD-ROM. What? The hell? What the hell, man? Why won't it boot off there? 20 GPU rig finish. That thing, I'm gonna destroy that. Destroy that thing. XA Mert would be great video using Proxmox Panda. Yeah, it's you have to use EFI BIOS and VTPM module. Christian Johansson. Did I not? Am I not using? What the hell? BIOS. What, you can choose the BIOS. C BIOS. What's OVM8? What's OVMF? UEFI. Does Umbra OS require UEFI? Here, let me try that. You need to add an EFI disk and installing EFI. Screw that. Hard disk. Umbrella OS image. I download the latest one. This Nicholas Pitts, you got the wrong. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure this is the right. I'm pretty sure this is the right. Right image. I down there. Let me check. Let's go to Umbrella OS download. Umbrella OS. This one, right? 1.5? Am I wrong? I downloaded this AMD64 image.exe. That's the one I used. Let's see here. Virtualization enabled. Yes, the CPUs. Yep, virtualization is enabled. Well, yeah, it's working. That part. Iowa, what's up, man? Iowa, welcome. Iowa, welcome to the stream, good sir. How are you? Iowa, just stopping by. Okay, man. Good to see you, man. How's the ASIC hosting? How's the ASIC hosting going, man? How's your digital shovels? Joker Miner, where's Retro Mike when you need him? RedPandaMining, yeah. This is the whole reason why I got all this up, is because of Retro Mike. So we're setting up the solo Dogecoin pool. Solo Dogecoin pool, essentially. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna play with this later on, but yeah, wondering why my ISO image, it should just work. It should just work. That's interesting why it's not. Always running into some problem. Always some problem. Legacy option ROM 2 DVD ATT. Yeah, I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it's not. F it. We'll figure it out later. It's a pirate. Boot from that. Run the installation. I have it selected. It's selected as the boot option there. It's there. It's not running it. I don't know why. It's not. Let's see. Yeah, disk image ISO. Yeah, I boot off of it. Doesn't want to boot off of it. Interesting. Doesn't want to go. Dan Bomer, I sent you a setup on X. Dan, what setup you got? Let's see. Let's see. The photo. Dan, you're using you are using OVMF UEFI. All right, let me try. Display default virtual SCSI iSCSI. Yeah. Is that it? Okay. Shut this down. Here. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, let's try it now. I want to shut it down. I think I broke it. I changed the option. Now it's not shutting down. Shut down. Oh boy, I broke it. I already broke it. I already broke it. Hard stop. shut down. Oh boy. Hard stop. It's not hard stopping. Nope. Shut down. Alright. It doesn't want to shut down or hard stop. It's broken. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Now it's stopped. There we go. There we go. Okay, now let's run it. Let's see if it starts. I don't know. Do I need to change this? This is already. You need to add an EFI disk for storing EFI settings. EFI disk. Where is that? Where? A hard disk? Oh, need to add one? Add. EFI disk. Ah, there we go. EFI storage. Alright, my UNAS Pro, 65 terabyte. Which format? This is VMDK. I know what this one is. That's from VMware. QEMU. That's is the open source virtual machine format, right? Whatever. Okay, press OK. I'm gonna delete this one. Can I gotta delete this one? EFI disk, or do I just keep that there? What? Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. All right, let's start it. Okay. All right, let's start it. Let's see. All right. Let's see if this works. All right. Umbrella OS. CryptoKJ. UEFI is built in by the VM and is like 4 megabyte. CryptoKJ. I don't even know what that means. You should be setting up your Stratus node. Nicholas Pitts. I can do that now. Yes, I can do that because I got static IPs and stuff now, and you know the Ubiquity VLANing. I can do all that now. Thank goodness. This thing's starting. Okay, there we go. There we go. There. Whoa, what's going on? Oh, it's going bigger. No bootable option was found. Boot manager. It's not booting off the it's not booting off the why is it not booting off the CD drive, the ISO? What the hell? Why is it not booting off the why is it not booting off the ISO? Why? Something wrong with the image. I don't it says 21.47 gigabyte. That Umbrella image is massive. Let's see. Secure boot. Secure boot is enabled. Yes, it says it's enabled. It doesn't let me change it either. Oh, so far this is not letting me install anything. Reset. All right. Nicholas Pitts, disable secure boot. Failed. Vote no bootable option or device was found. Press any key to enter. Device manager. Secure boot. It won't let me disable it. I can't disable. There's no, I'm trying to use spacebar, enter. It won't let me. Custom mode. Reset secure boot keys. Sure. Alright. Attempt secure boot. Okay. How about... Alright, I disabled that. Let's F10 save. I don't know if that's gonna... I have no idea. Exit. Reset. Crypto KJ, pick Kimu hard disk. Kimu hard disk. Okay, let's see. Kimu hard disk. What do you mean? It's not booting off my ISO. I'm trying to boot off Umbrella OS here. That's what I'm trying to do here. We're trying to boot. We're not trying to boot off the hard disk, Crypto KJ. We're trying to boot Umbrella OS. God damn it. We're trying to boot the CD, the ISO image. Do you see this? Do you see this? This is what we're trying to do here. I don't have anything installed on the hard drive, Crypto KJ. There's nothing installed on the hard. We just got this whole cluster, Proxmox cluster, up and running. We're trying to get the ISO to run here. It's not booting off the freaking ISO image. This is the problem we're having right now. It's literally the problem we're having right now. I pressed the hard disk DVD. No, doesn't go. Doesn't like my doesn't like the Kimu drive or whatever. Let's see. It's a pirate. Someone send me the GitHub link. I'll figure it out. Okay. Right here. This is what I downloaded. Is that the right ISO for Umbrella? Crypto KJ, did you choose Linux during the VM setup? Let's see. How do you see that part? But yes, I vividly remember. I do remember I chose Linux. Yes. Where do you see that? Linux kernel 2.6, Linux 6.x. Yes, OS type Linux 6.x. Swamp 7, RedPandaMining, change BIOS to C BIOS and machine Q35. Swamp 7. So we're not gonna do the you do not want to do the UEFI anymore? Is that what you're saying? Okay, let me shut this down. Let's shut it down. Let's see. ISO, okay. Dan Bulmer, you sent me a message? Okay, let's see. Alright, Dan Bulmer sent me some instructions here. This is probably a lot better. On the system tab, set the BIOS to UEFI and uncheck add EFI disk. Okay. Proxmox shell. Okay, I feel like we did that. We did that. We did that. Unused disk. iSCSI. We did that. Go to options, boot order, move the new drive to the top, check enable, and start VM. What? That's it? Where's the part where he selects the oh wait, run. Okay, wget umbrel USB installer. Go to your VM under hardware. You should see unused disk. Don't click add. Okay, he's not using the CD drive. He's using an unused disk 0. Go to VM under hardware. You should see unused disk. Click add. Okay, add. Yeah, you're just adding. Okay, boot over enabled. So, okay. He's running commands instead of the USB wget the USB installer. Huh. Okay. CryptoKJ, why don't you use Zima OS? It's a user-friendly CryptoKJ, because RetroMike has the one-click installer for the Dogecoin pool. That hence why we're doing it under Umbrel Umbrel OS. To disable secure boot and Proxminer, we did that. Uncheck attempts to save. Okay, that's the same thing. You have the wrong image selected in the CD-ROM. Kristen Johansson. Okay. Well, let me try this one then. Let me try the USB installer. Let's just see for the hell of it. I mean, like in VMware, this is what I normally do. Like I uploaded the image to my image, file system on UNAS Pro, and then I'm just booting off the ISO image. Like that's how it works normally. But in VMware, oh, see, it works now. What the hell? It works now. It just booted into it. Okay, so it wasn't the ISO. It was the it is the USB installer. God damn it. Who did I talk to? Somebody told me to install this one like a couple days ago. God damn it. God damn it. Installing Umbrella OS will wipe your entire storage device. Select the storage device by number to install Umbrella OS on. Select the storage. How do I can't select. Is there a number over there, or is it 1? I can't see it. It's blocked. Is it a 1 or a 2? It's 1, right? I'm assuming it's 1. It's blocked here. I can't even. Oh, it's 1. There you go. Yeah, it is 1. Okay. Swamp 7, need more storage space. How much storage space do we need on a Umbrella OS installation? I guess how big is the Bitcoin? How big is a Bitcoin Bitcoin node? How much space does it take? Minimum 2 terabyte. 2 terabyte? Are you kidding me? For blockchain, 1 to 2 terabyte. CryptoKJ 2? What? That much? That much? Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? That much space. Holy crap, man. Okay, well, I better stop. I can't. I know in VMware you could expand the hard drive without reinstalling everything. Does Proxmox let you expand the hard drive or no? Here, let me shut this down. I'm assuming I have to shut this down while I change the hard drive space. Can I change the hard drive space on the fly here? I feel like the free version of Proxmox, you can't do that. No. How do you expand? Edit. Advanced. How do you How do you expand the hard drive space? Crypto KJ, select hard drive and disk actions at the top. Disk action. What the hell? Resize. Oh, perfect. Why is that under like a... Why is that not in edit? What the heck? Why is that not like here? Disk action. Oh my goodness. Why is that in a... Why is that in another spot? Size increment. Okay, so I can add 1500. Is that gigabyte? Yeah, resize disk. Okay. Should I turn this off first? I should turn this off first. Okay, yeah, it's off now. Oh, is it off? No. Gas is not running. Okay. Yeah, okay, perfect. Resize. 2 terabyte? Whatever you type will add that amount to the top. Right. Command resize. Got timeout. Nice. I got timed out. Nice. Maybe it just had to give it some time before it shut down. Let's try again. Task failed. Oh man, it doesn't like. Okay, what if? Can I just add like 500? Let me do something. Okay, if this. Okay, that worked. Why adding 500 gigabyte worked, but not 1500? Why did that work? Why did that work? Why couldn't I add 1500? Tell me, somebody tell me the logic behind why I couldn't add 1500 but I could add 500. Why? Tell me, what is the actual network storage difference there? That, like, programming coding difference between 1500 and 500. So do I just have to do it in 500 increments? That's so dumb. That is extremely stupid. VMware would let me run it, like, add any amount of space. What the hell? Okay, see, now I can't add another 500. Is 1 terabyte the max I could do? What? Bro. Tell me. 250. All right, let's see. Okay, I could add 250. I could. It let me resize. Add another 250 gig. Okay, very interesting. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I can't. Okay, and let me do another 250. Nice. I love it. All right, let me do 500 now. Nope, task failed. Could not add 500 gig. 250. Okay, it let me do 250. Bro, I'm so confused. I'm not even. Ace K, you have the free version. I mean, you're not wrong. I am running the free version of this, but I mean, if that's a bug, then maybe because I'm running them in cluster mode. I don't know. Maybe that's the thing. I don't know, man. Hawk, what are you doing here? Hawk, welcome to the stream, good sir. Welcome to the stream. Okay, now I can start it. Here we go. With 2 terabyte. Now we can install Umbrel. Here we go. Let's go. Jesus Christ. I just wanted to add 1500 gigabytes. So stupid, man. Stupid. I'm gonna spool up a 5950X 128 gigabyte dual 3090 system on VAST later on. I am ready. Onar the Mage. Good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. I'm not on VAST, so I can't say. 6 string Red Panda, please read my post. It worked perfectly for me using an HP Elite Desk mini PC. 6 string MJP. For which one? Okay, here we go. All right, we can install it now. Thank God. Holy smoke, that took a while. All right, 2 terabyte. There we go. All right, installing. Finally. Hawk. Then AE3 just hit the top of the leaderboard. Miningnow.com. AE3. Hawk. What's that? Oh, the Aleo miner. Yeah, don't buy that. Don't buy this, please. For the love of God, do not buy this. And don't do the whole stupid. You gotta stake. Mind you, depending how much hash rate you're using, you gotta stake. You gotta buy the Aleo to stake on the damn pool as well. So good luck with that. Don't buy this. Do not buy this. Hawk, for the love of God, I'm right. Hawk, I've said that way before you even joined this channel. Okay, Hawk. I've said that many times. The funny thing is, you could have used 32 gig OS and add another disk for storage after. Crypto KJ, you know what? You're right, but F it. Jockrick Miner, 2 terabyte gig, 200 gig is well enough to run BTC node prune 02. Jockrick Miner, you mean the light version of the Bitcoin node? The light version. Okay, is it working now? Let's see. Still installing. Love it. I love it. Love it. Do you, Zapirate, do you have any SSD caching on the UNAS? No, Zapirate, there's no SSDs in there. Nothing. Alrighty. Bitcoin 78. All right, that's enough of the Proxmox. I think we're good now. Once this installs, then I can do the whole one-click install crap. Actually, the next thing I need to figure out is so I had the management VLAN, I got the iSCSI VLAN, or the NFS LAN, but now I need to figure out how do I separate. I need to have a third internet port for the internet, because I don't want internet access on the storage, right, network, and I don't want internet access on the management network for the cluster. Am I understanding that correctly? In the networking world, you want to make sure you have those three things separated. Am I wrong on that, or am I right on that? Right? Can anyone that's a networking guru in here understand what I'm talking about? Crypto KJ data center, add VMBR, virtual network port. Crypto KJ, I have enough ports to do physical ones, so I don't want to do more virtual ports, but like, can't I do physical port separation? I want to do like physical, like you know, you gotta have it separated. I want to have physical network separation, you know. Joker Miner, you're still on top chat. Okay, looks like we, all right, some people, all right, looks like I missed some chats here. All right, that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. As a pirate, you can do it on physical. Okay. Hi, I'd like to ask you, which do you think is better? 1 Bitmain L7 or 12 CMP 178Xs? Nikol Lapisarov. Definitely an L9. Don't get an L7. Don't get an L7. I don't. L7's losing money right now at 8 cents, at 9 cents. L7's losing is losing money. Yeah. Don't buy an L7. And don't buy any GPUs right now. Don't buy GPUs. All right, Umbra OS has been installed. Please, any key shut down. All right, done. Press any key to shut down. Okay. Love it. Love it. All right, Proxmox installed. Installed. All right, that's all I wanted. Now I can delete this. I can take this out. Do not use any media. Okay, gotta wait till this thing is off. Actually off. Nope, it's turning back on. Okay, shut down. Okay, let's see here. Zapirate, create a Linux bridge, MVBR, and pick one of the physical ports. Okay. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'm not gonna show that now because I think that'll show my like MAC addresses of everything. So I better not show that. I better not show that. Okay. Crypto KJ, I'm going bald. I'm done. Crypto KJ, understand this. 99.9% of people out there don't know what Proxmox is, all right? So settle down, bro. Settle down. Just because you know how to use it doesn't mean 99% of people out there know how to use it, all right? This is my first time using Proxmox, okay? I've done VMware. I've done the Cisco one, but I've not done Proxmox. They're all different, man. They all have their own different, like, the menu options on this one is so, like, kind of like unintuitive in a way. Why is the hard drive, like, when you click on the hard drive, you should be able, when you click edit, that's where disk actions should be. Why is it in a separate, why is disk action in another area? That's so stupid. the UI in Proxmox is so like unintuitive. It's so weird. Like VMware is the best, but you have to pay for it, which is stupid. So, you know. Swamp 7, RedPandaMining. I think if you asked anyone on the street, majority would know. Yeah, Swamp 7. I don't think so. I don't think so. So funny. Okay, anyway. Let's take this out. Okay, that's off. Okay, let's boot it now. Let's see if Umbrella OS opens up. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Buy BTC. Yeah, I mean, fear and greed index is at the lowest I've ever seen it. Or actually, no. Back in November, when we had the flash crash, that was when it was the lowest of the low. So, buying zone. Yeah, I mean, that's it. This is it. Could be it. Let's go. Okay. open this up. Is it gonna Umbrella? Oh, what's my Umbrella login? Oh no, I didn't specify any login. Is it root? I'm assuming it's root. Root? Is there a default username and password for Umbrella? I don't know what it is. Umbrella OS. You guys know what it is? Default username and password. Umbrella. Okay. Nice. I love it. Love it. Go to the IP. Ignore that. Oh, I can access the web browser now. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Oh, so much better. Thank God. I can't, please. I don't make me do any Linux commands for the love of God. I can't. Thank you. Thank God. Thank God. Second TL. Let's go start a GoFundMe to get RPM back on VMware. Yes. Yeah, second TL, please. Yes, please. I think a VMware license though, you need 3 of them if I wanted to do HA. It's like 30 grand or something. So funny. So absolutely funny. Okay. All right. Can I start it now? Let's start. All right. RedPandaMining password. All right. Does it show my passwords that I type here? No. This is gonna be a test anyway, so it's gonna be password's gonna be bath water. All right. Great. You're all set. You're all set, RedPandaMining. Your umbrella is now ready. I love it, man. Okay. Whoa, that was easy. You install your first app. I love it. Oh, I forgot to ask. Am I allowed to add... I can add more memory and processors on the fly, right? Like, I can change this later on, right? If I wanted to. Processors, I can add... I can, oh, Rome? Epics? Oh. Oh, no, I'm on the old school, Xeon. Second TL, yes, just need to reboot. Okay. CryptoKJ, you gotta shut down the VM first, but yes. Okay. Okay. What Umbrella OS? I guess depending what you're running, how many cores do you need? Is there any specifics on that? I guess I could just look it up. But right now I have 16 core. That should be enough, right? 32 gigs in there. Okay. I come on my Plex server. Yes, finally. Yes, I'm definitely all right. For my local friends, I will make my Plex server on one of my static IPs, and we can all share videos. Yes, yes, we could do this. I love it. In-house Netflix. I'm gonna download everything. Jellyfin. What's this? Sonar. Explore more apps in the App Store. Oh, this is cool. What else we got? Where is Retro Mike? Retro Mike Tech? Retro Mike says he has his own app store. Where is it? Retro Mike, how do I search for your store? How do I search for Retro Mike in here? Community app store. Okay. All right. Where Retro Mike has a link from a video. Okay. Let me go find that. I need his link. I think I'll go to his video. Retro Mike. in it for the tech. Here. Umbrella App Store. Okay. Copy link address. Add. Huh? That didn't work. Umbrella App Store. Oh, you know what? I copied. Why does YouTube relink? Okay, YouTube screwed up the link. Never mind. That's not. There we go. Open. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Retro Mic App Store. Perfect. Love it. All right. All right. Retro Mike's got it all here. Dogecoin node, Bitcoin 2. He's got his Bitcoin 2 node here. Bitcoin Cash. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, the first thing I want to do is the Doge one. I want to solo mine Doge. So I need to install both, right? Mining core and untested mining nodes XMR. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Bare Naked Miner, does Retro Mike have node for Doge and solo mining setup for Doge as well? Bare Naked Miner, I believe, yeah, he said he does. So, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, someone said there's a certain order. Random Miner, there's a certain order to install apps for nodes. Yeah, so I feel like the Bitcoin one needs to be first, but you can't. I don't think you can do the other ones like Bitcoin Cash first. You gotta do the Bitcoin one first. But the Doge one I think would be, or Litecoin. Is the Litecoin one here? Oh, I guess you don't need the Litecoin. You just need the Doge one. My Random Miner says mine core first. Oh, yeah. Just watch this video. I watched it a while ago. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, I'm not gonna do it now. So. We're gonna hold off on this. I'm gonna attempt it later. It's very easy to do. Okay, thank you all. Thank you, Zapirate. Thank you, Crypto KJ, I think. And who else? Dan Bulmer. Thank you, Dan Bulmer. Thank you for the help. Thank you guys. Proxmox Masters. I gotta say though, Proxmox. Shout out to Proxmox. I loved just clustering them. I love that you could do that. That's so cool. The whole HA thing is really cool. That's all I've done so far. I have to. The next thing I'm working on, I gotta work on is the network part. Where's the network part on here? I don't see network. Is it per machine? Network. System. Network. Okay. I'm not gonna click in there. Okay. All right. Okay, we're done. That's good. There's a pirate. After you break the installation like 10 times, you'll get the hang of it. Christian Johansson, update your cluster to 9.1.4. What does that even mean? What? I'm on 9.1.1. Are you kidding me? There's a new version already? I just downloaded the latest one. Proxmox download. Are you kidding me? They just have a new version? No, 9.1. 9.1. Damn it. All right, bros. Okay, that's it. All right, we've been streaming for an hour. Oh man, is there anything else you guys wanna talk about? Let's see here. Yes, the installer. Yes, the installer's old. Go to update. You know what? I'm not even gonna touch that. I'm gonna leave that for another day. Okay, we're gonna leave that for another day. But at least we're here. At least we're here. Yes, at least we made it. We made it to the main point here. Yeah. Next up is just I want to work on security. So that's important to me because I have a lot of crap. I got a lot of AI stuff running. You know, they're all in their own subnet and VLAN and stuff, so that's all have to be separated. Yes, deactivate enterprise repo and community repo. Okay. Wait, there's a community repo? Oh, interesting. So there's a community that's been working on cluster updates. That's interesting. Nikola Rasparov, because they are offering me 12 CMP 100 CMP 178Xs for 22 euro. Ooh, that sounds expensive. 22 euro. I think that's expensive. Let's see. Looking for a good deal on an A2088. Valderico, I don't know any. Oh, DJ Mines has an A2000. I think he can sell you $300. You just have to pay shipping and $300 for the A2000. Crypto KJ. Okay. RedPandaMining, make sure you support Retro Mike and with a membership he deserves. Crypto Baltus, I'm paying Mr. Retro Mike for his gracious help. I'm sending him a little Bitcoin miner. So he's helping me out. Crypto KJ, click the link. Let's see. What is this? What is this? I don't understand. I'm not. Listen, I don't have the brain capacity right now to be, you know, doing manual updating stuff. Okay, don't get me into this right now. Okay, I don't even want to look at it. All right, it just gives me stress. When I'm looking at this, all I see is stress. Okay, I'm not even gonna look at that. Rude puts and some Pokemon cards. 100%. 100%. One command install scripts. Okay. Alright. I've sent him last week on Discord. Okay. You guys. Too funny. When Cardsmith's currency cards right away. Techman, what's the can you send me that link to the Cardsmith thing? Cardsmiths. You said these guys, they sell the Bitcoin one, right? The Bitcoin cards? Dude, that's actually cool. Currency series. Dude. And there's cards where they had Bitcoin, like if you get a card with Bitcoin on it, like you can they actually have Bitcoin on it, right? But how do you redeem it though? Dude, imagine having these cards. Dude, imagine in the future these cards are like worth so much more. Cardsmith. Currency series, yeah. Trouser Snake, I've won 0.1 Bitcoin on those cards. No way. 0.1 Bitcoin? Dude, that's a lot. That's a pretty good. That's $783 right now. Mail it to Chicago. Oh, you had to mail it? Wow. In order to receive the Bitcoin back? Oh, interesting. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay. All right, my friends. Thank you, guys. That's it. That's it for today's video, live stream. You guys have a good one. Is there more complete? Mr. Patrick Guyan. What's up, good sir? Hello, man. Hello. Welcome to the stream, man. How are you? How are you, man? Oh, Bitcoin. Come on, don't go down. Bitcoin's gotta stay up. All right, where do you guys think Bitcoin's going? Down or up? Are we going down or are we going back up? Here, ingredient index. We are really in the red. It should, in theory, bounce. We gotta bounce from here. Come on. Gotcha. More complete. Sup. Complete doxing. Patrick, I'm sorry. More complete. More complete. What's up? So funny. I'm sorry. Bola 1234. What's up, man? Remember that I have a picture of us hugging. Not AI. So funny. So funny. GM Zombie, we're going down because you haven't finished the rig. That's too funny. Too funny. True. Very true, though. Very true, though. Tom Lee says 63 to 64K. Wow. Wow. We're going that low? Okay, that means we're going up then. That means we're going up. Okay. All right, my friends. That's it. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully times will get better. I'm sure it will. But time to work on my nodes. Finally. Gotta get my nodes up and running. Finally. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys later. RPM, small pumps up for now. Yeah, all set. I think so. We're gonna have a little bit of ups, but ultimately I think we're gonna generally go down over time. over time, just I don't know. But I think later on in the year maybe we'll start heading back up or something. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Peace. Peace. Patrick, thanks for coming by, man. Thanks for coming by. Goodbye. Good night. Have the great rest of your day. Hit that like on the way out. Bye.